Welcome back to the InfoFlex. In this video, we are going to build a smart distance monitoring system using the VL53LOX time of flight sensor and ESP32 integrated with the Blink IoT app. We will also learn how to control an LED remotely right from our smartphone. So let's get started. Let's quick start with a quick overview VL53LOX sensor. This is a time of flight distance sensor developed by STM Microelectronics. Unlike ultrasonic sensor, they use sound. The VL53LOX uses laser light to measure distance, making it much more accurate and compact. It can measure distance up to 2 meters with high precision and is not affected by light or sound interference. Its I2C communication protocol also make wiring straightforward. We will require the following components for this project: ESP32, VL53LOX sensor module, LED module, breadboard, and jumper wires. Connect the VL53LOX sensor to the ESP32 as follow. Connect the VN pin of the VL53LOX sensor to 3.3 volt of the ESP32. Connect the ground pin of the VL53LOX sensor to ground pin of the ESP32. Connect the SDA pin of the VL53LOX sensor to GPIO21 of the ESP32. Connect the SCL pin of the VL53LOX sensor to GPIO22 of the ESP32. Connect the ground pin of the RGB module to ground pin of the ESP32. Connect the G pin of the RGB module to GPIO2 of the ESP32. Now let's set up the Blink IoT platform. Open the Blink web dashboard and go to the developer zone. Click on create new template. Give it a name like distance measurement with VL53LOX. Select ESP32 as the hardware and choose Wi-Fi as the connection type. Click create button. Go to data streams. Click new data stream. Choose virtual pin. Give it a name distance. Select the unit centimeter and click create. Now again click on the new data stream. Choose virtual pin. Give it a name LED and click create button. Navigate to the web dashboard. Add a gauge and a switch widgets. And link them to the respective virtual pins. Adjust the size of the gauge and switch. Click Save. Go to the device section. Click New Device. Select from template. Choose the template you just created. Your Blink authentication code will be generated. Copy and paste it in the code. I have already written the code for the ESP32. Install the library for the VL53LOX. Go to Sketch and select the library manager. Write VL53LOX and you can see I have already installed the library. Upload the code to the ESP32. Open the Blink mobile app. Tap on your distance measurement with VL53LOX template. Then go to Develop. Add a gauge and button widget. Link the gauge to the corresponding virtual pin. In the design section, you can give name and adjust the size of the text. In similar way, link the virtual pin with button. Once done, you will see your gauge and button layout. Your smart interface is ready. Now let's see it in action. As I move my hand closer and further from the sensor, the distance updates live in the Blink app. And when I tap the button in the app, the LED turns on and off instantly. So that's how you can build your own distance monitoring system with VL53LOX, ESP32 and Blink. Perfect for smart home, object detection or automation projects. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share it with your fellow tech lovers. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next project.